Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. For those of you who are new, I'm Jennifer Razon, and this is my little space here in the YouTube universe. Today we have a nice sunny day out, so we're gonna go on a little joyride and see what we can find, but also check out a place I've driven by a few times before, but never really walked around. So it's gonna be a good day, and I hope you stick around. So let's get on going. All right, made it to in between Santa Monica and Venice Beach. It's a bit of a drive here because of the traffic, of course, in LA, but doesn't mind. I wasn't expecting clouds though. I thought that was gonna be actually sunny compared to where I was, but that's fine. But first, we're gonna go grab some food because we're hungry. So we're gonna walk over to one of my favorite spots, Cha Cha Chicken. It's a bit loud here, I don't know if you can hear me, but we got the same table as last time. Ooh, the wind started picking up. Definitely was not expecting this weather down here. Oh well.
Final empty lap, fellas. Darling, never go away again. I feel the room.
Okay, so now we're walking towards the Venice side. You guys seen the Santa Monica one? I'll put the link in the description in the corner up here. But we're now heading towards Venice. Not so much interested in the whole boardwalk area of it, but a certain section that I haven't been to in a while. Welcome to the Venice Canals, inspired by Venice, Italy, and their canals. It's a small neighborhood, so if you're gonna come visit here, please be mindful of the residents living here at the moment because this is their home. It's pretty neat though. Thanks so much for joining me today on our day trip to the Venice Canals. It was really interesting to see the difference in weather compared to inland where I live and the coast where it's pretty much unexpected cloud weather that came in. But that's totally fine with me, especially with the amount of walking we did that day. I didn't really spend too much time on the boardwalk area, as you can tell it was pretty crowded and it's really not my thing, but don't let me keep you from visiting and just experiencing it just once. The really cool thing is actually seeing the canals. As a reminder, that is a residential area, so if you do go visit, please be mindful of the residents there and just walk around, check it out, and just enjoy the sights. And the cool thing about it, it's inspired by the canals in Venice, Italy. And we'll leave it at that. Thank you so much for joining me on today's day trip. I hope you had a really good and relaxing time. Do come back next week because I have a whole new adventure for you, so you do not want to miss out on any of that. Until then, I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments. I'll see you all next time. Take care.